Well guys, here's the Cobra 29NWLTD Classic. I spent, I'd say, 3 hours trying to wire a microphone up to this damn thing. And a static stock mic there, noise cancelling mic. I tried to wire this. Noba would not work. So I kind of give up on it. So I said, okay, I'll use the old realistic. Everybody loves these mics. The 29-1172 stock microphone by Realistic. Can't go wrong with these mics. Very good microphones, very good audio out of them. So yeah, I managed to get this critter working. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 3 2 1 1 2 1 2. But now when I go to calibrate, 1 2, when you try to calibrate the thing, either a dirty pot or that potentiometer is shot. One, two, 1 2 1 2. Also, no light behind here, so to fix that. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. And apparently the backlighting on these things are common for failing. Well, it's like everything green. Everything green is supposed to light up nice and green looking, but she's nice and dark green looking right now. But yeah, Cobra 29NWLTD Classic. This is a radio actually. She got the common LTD, Cobra LTD, 29LTD circuit board. Lots of hefty resistors in here. None of this surface mount crap that's in the new stuff. This is a radio that you can actually work on. So yeah, it's just something scribbled back here. 3/3 something, I don't know, weird. And yeah, I'm assuming this is a inverter that powers the LC or the LED or the display or whatever. It goes back here, and then you got a little ribbon cable. It goes in there and connects on. Disconnect the speakers so I can actually move this thing someplace. Disconnect the antenna. You know the radio works. Just got some minor repairs to do here. There's Cobra 29. Disconnect power. Let me get it out. There we go. Alright. Let's have a wee peek back here, shall we? So, yeah, there's where the, looks like that's where she, yeah, there's where she powers up to. And she just sneaks in there to the front of the radio. And the gray cable in here goes into this box. Again, I'm assuming it's an inverter of some sort that powers that display. But yeah, there you go. This particular radio was, let's see, date. Manufactured April 2007. 2007. So she's 12 years old. And she's a precision engineer, product of Cobra Electronics Corporation, Chicago, Illinois. Made in China. There you go. Great spot to build something. Made in China. But yeah, looks like somebody had her crossed out at some point or another, by the looks of it. Got her diode exploded. There you go, D8. So I guess they roasted that at one point. Hooked her up backwards, I'm assuming. Blew the shit out of her. But, yeah. And the final, what did she use for a final? Back here. What did she use? Hard to see that. 2078 maybe? I'm assuming that's a 2SC 2078. Final, got our pre-driver on that side, final there, or driver and final. Yeah, so there we go. Let's get some squirt on the go here and squirt that SWR calibrate control there, see if we can get that working properly. And then we'll investigate and getting a bulb put behind his bulb later up, or behind his meter later up. The radio, as you can tell, has never been modified in any way, shape, or form. Oh gosh, yes, SMT. Surface mount technology sitting down there. I hate that crap, I got to say. I hate it with a passion. Can't stand that crap. I don't know about the rest of you, but I cannot stand SMT shit. I hate it with a passion. I really do. Anyways, let's give her a squirt. Let's give her a squirt and see what she's got to say for herself. So we got the can of contact cleaner going here. So we sprayed on the inside of the potentiometer. Give her a nice dose of it. And then take that knob and twist the hell out of it. Twisty, twisty. Because you're trying to clean that gunk or whatever that's in there. Back and forth, back and forth. Work that gunk out of her. I may end up having to change that control yet. It depends if it's damaged or not. It might actually be damaged. But we'll just say it's dirty contacts at the moment. And leave it at that. That should be enough. Give her another squirt. Another squirt for good luck. While you do this, make sure power is disconnected from the radio, obviously. Now turn her up to get the contact cleaner into the pot. And we really got to put her up on her side. Put her up on her end and work it into her. Gotta work it into her. Work it into her, look. But it's not fit. Alright. Ooh, she's actually feeling loose there now already. So she had a lot of gunk built up inside of her. Alright. Let's power this behemoth up and see how it works now. Okay, so you realize, you remember how staticky, movely she did. She didn't want to do nothing, basically. She didn't want to work very well. Well, let's put her on calibrate. I'm going to move the SWR meter, or the calibrate. And as you can see, now she moves nice and freely. Amazing what a bit of contact cleaner can do, eh? Bring her right to the end. Put her on SWR. And there we go. According to the meter, I have an SWR of just under 1.4. So there we go. So we got that fixed. Now, let's see if we can't get a bulb and light up this little meter. Because she looks pretty sad. She looks like she got a black eye. The meter's not working. Looks like she got a black eye. It's like someone punched her out. Alright, let's get a bulb back there and see if we can't light her up. Changing this bulb is not going to be as easy as it looks. I got to remove the meter in order to get that wire, that light bulb out. So, that only means one thing. You guys are going to see the inside of the faceplate, I would assume. Well, I guess we'll see what she looks like inside. And I'll bring your attention to something I just seen. Right here. Right below here. On the back of the board, I will bring your attention to exhibit number A. Look down there. See some empty pads, solder pads? Interesting, would you not say so? At one point, it looks like there might have been an on-off switch for this radio. I'm assuming the switch might have been to disable the backlighting on the radio, perhaps? I don't know. Anyways, let's get the face off her hair and see what we're doing with. That was a bit interesting to get this out. Couple plates later and a few screws, and the meter will come out. There's the bulb, the original one, the little rubber grommet that sits in that there hole that lights up that there meter. So yeah, there's your socket that powers up. There's your ribbon cable for your socket that powers your front display through that ribbon cable, and this grey one goes back to that there inverter on this side. Interesting. This whole assembly, I'm thinking I'm going to remove this, to be honest with you. I don't need 97 volts floating around inside this radio, especially if it's not powering anything. So we're going to disconnect, we're going to pull this module out of this radio. I got no intentions in the world of ever replacing this front panel. That's just not happening. I'm not buying a new one. So I'm just going to disconnect this from this and remove that module out of it anyway. But anyways, first we got to change out this bulb. Little bulb. So yeah, chop chop. Okay, folks. As you can see, meter nice and lit up there. We're channel 4. Let's see if we can't find somebody here. Breaker channel 4, break. Breaker channel 4, break. Breaker. Anybody out there? Break. Break channel 4. Anybody copy? Over. Oh well. That's it, I suppose. Breaker. Anybody who got a copy? Break. Not a soul.
Come back here.
Hey, who do I got there? Over.
Come back again.
Who's this?
I never heard you. Get bigger here in Calibrating.
Oh, Tigger. What are you at? Buy this harp. Over.
You got to step up that modulation a bit, my son.
She's up as far as she can go there. Over.
Try one more time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yell it out a little bit.
What are you? Can you hear me now?
You're too low for me, Doc.
Right on, bye. All mouth, no ears. Oh well. Anyways, here you go.